This is my first bike check, and so here we go. I have the premium whiskey bars and ODI long neck grips. They're really soft, and the Shadow Conspiracy bar ends, Shadow stem, King Foundation forks, Ezra peg, Demolition front hub, and what is it laced to? It's laced to a Sun Ebony rim with E-clat spokes, and for the front tire, it's a Primo V Monster. For my frame is a VH1, Fit VH1. Cranks Premium 1948. E-clat Surge pedals. KMC half link, Shadow Conspiracy chain wheel, don't know what kind it is. For the back hub is a Federal Free Coaster V2, I think, something like that. And it's the same thing with the front 70. It's a Sun Ebony rim with E-clat spokes, and an Epium back hub guard. It's huge as fuck with an Ezra peg. And for the seat is a Shadow Conspiracy seat thing, post, whatever, and a Federal bat seat. So yeah, and I'll do a trick for you.